Welcome to another stop on our holiday tour of iconic tiki drinks, and today, once again, we are heading back to Trader Sam's for one of their seasonal favorites, the Mele Kaliki Mai Tai. It's a winter riff on the world's most famous tiki cocktail with a nod to island traditions and a little holiday spice layered in for good measure. So before we mix, let's zoom out for a minute and talk about history, because the Mai Tai isn't just a drink, it is a cultural landmark. The original Mai Tai, of course, was created in 1944 by Trader Vic Bergeron in Oakland, California. And contrary to what a lot of vacation menus would have you believe, the Mai Tai is not designed to be a sugary fruit bomb. It was a way for Trader Vic to highlight the depth of the incredibly aged Jamaican rum. It's a simple drink on paper: lime, juice, orgeat, orange curacao, and a touch of sugar, and a big character-heavy rum. But it became the ambassador of the tiki world. So if Don Beach invented the tiki aesthetic, Trader Vic gave it its most iconic cocktail. Mele Kalikimaka is, of course, Hawaiian for Merry Christmas, a phrase popularized here on the mainland by Bing Crosby's 1950s holiday hit. It became shorthand for Christmas island style, with palms instead of pines and sunshine instead of snowfall. And in the late 1980s, it became popularized once again through Clark W. Griswold's holiday daydream of sunshine, swimming pools, and maybe something just a little bit naughty. And Trader Sam's leans into that spirit beautifully. The Mele Kaliki Mai Tai keeps the foundation of a classic Trader Vic style Mai Tai, but wraps it in holiday flavors with cinnamon, baking spice, cranberry, and rum. Think of it as the intersection of tropical comfort and Christmas nostalgia. And the two rums we'll be using today are Plantaray Original Dark and Don Q Cristal. And everybody, in the spirit of the holidays, let's jump in and make the Mele Kaliki Mai Tai. To start, you will need 1 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 an ounce of orgeat, 1/2 an ounce of cinnamon syrup, 1/2 an ounce of cranberry juice, 1/2 an ounce of allspice dram, and 1 ounce of a white rum. I am using Don Q Cristal. And 1 ounce of Jamaican rum. I'm using Plantaray. You'll then whip shake this drink with ice. Pour into a glass or mug of your choice. And today's garnish will be mint and a cinnamon stick. And that, my friends, is how you make the Mele Kaliki Mai Tai from Trader Sam's at Disneyland. So let's give it a shot. This drink is interesting. It tastes like a Mai Tai, but it has some of those baking spices, and that cranberry juice gives it a different kind of brightness than you would expect. You still get that interplay between the light and the dark rum, but the cinnamon syrup, the allspice dram, and then definitely that cranberry really gives it a different taste, and it's absolutely delicious. Like I said before, I'm usually really positive on this channel, but this is an absolutely great drink. It's familiar, but it's dressed for Christmas. It's got that classic seasonal twist that you would get from like holiday pop-ups that you experience around the country. But either way, if you are celebrating the holidays tiki style, or you just want a Mai Tai that's wrapped in an ugly Christmas sweater, but damn, is it tasty, definitely say this drink deserves a spot on your home bar menu for your holiday parties. It's pretty easy to make. It's basically Mai Tai with a couple extra ingredients and some stuff subbed out. Obviously, you don't have the simple syrup. You get enough of the sweetness with the added allspice dram, the cinnamon syrup, and then the cranberry juice, everybody. So again, it's a very good drink. Please let me know in the comments if you had this before, or if you've just made it, what you thought of it. But yeah, so that all being said, hope you all have a safe and wonderful holiday season. We're almost there. We're almost to New Year's. Last year, if you recall, I dressed up like a dork, was wearing a full tuxedo on my New Year's Eve episode, where I came up with, or I thought of, the best drink that I had in all of 2024. Maybe I'll do that again for 2025. I don't know if I'll go the full tuxedo. Surprisingly, that crap gets really hot sitting back here underneath the lights while you're filming. So, but yeah. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Kole Maluna, Mele Kalikimaka. Cheers and enjoy. Wow, that is really good. That's absolutely delicious. So, you know, I've made, like I said, kind of in the close, I'm usually overly positive on this channel, and This drink is awesome. Like, so I got this recipe. I don't know how close it is to what they actually make at Trader Sam's. I'm pretty sure it's pretty close. I've seen a few slight variations. Like I looked at their menu and saw that, you know, all the ingredients that I used today were listed. I've seen a few different people try to make this. There was a few things that I thought might be right, might not be right. I used a 1/2 ounce of cranberry instead of a splash. You can look up online, like a splash is, I think all technicality wise in bartending, a splash is like what? 1/5 of an ounce or something like that. So I just said, screw it. I'm going with a full 1/2 ounce. From Wisconsin, like we have cranberry marshes all over the place. So I grew up drinking and eating a lot of cranberry based foods. So I like cranberry. So I decided to go the full 1/2 ounce in this, and I didn't try it with the splash, the 1/5 of an ounce or whatever. I'm glad I didn't, because this is awesome. I don't think using less cranberry would make it better. This is so good. So definitely give this a try at home. Absolutely give this a try at home. Let me know what you thought of it. I know that, like I said, I have my New Year's Eve episode where I typically would come up with like, what's the best drink I had? It's gonna be recency biased. This is right up there. You know, 50 plus episodes this year. This is easily top 5. I have to go through with, you know, I have to go through all my episodes and kind of rejigger my memory, because there's a lot of drinks, especially at the beginning of the year, that I just don't remember making. This is absolutely amazing. Should it win? Maybe. Maybe it won't. I'm not really sure, but it is an awesome, awesome drink. So yeah, there you have it. That's the Mele Kaliki Mai Tai from Trader Sam's. So thanks for watching again, and I hope you guys have a good night.